My name is Martin Jensen. I'm a senior scientist at the Department of Food Science, Aarhus University in Denmark. As part of the Climate Food Project, we investigated a Danish project on Aronia melanocarpa. And part of the project was to investigate how we, in an easy way and on-farm way, could propagate plants of this cultivar, and how the cultivars and harvest time and processing affect the juice quality and the taste and the content of bioactive compounds in these berries. Analyzing the juice of these berries, we have found that harvesting later gives a reduction in anthocyanins and also in total acidity, whereas the sugar content, the Brix value, increases slightly. There's some variation in terms of acidity and sugar, but much larger variation in terms of anthocyanins. It could be more than a factor 2 in difference between different cultivars. So freezing of the berries before processing results in a juice with higher acidity and higher anthocyanin content, but also a slightly higher sugar content in the juice. So we have analyzed the total anthocyanins and also looked at neochlorogenic acid and chlorogenic acid, and we find that the content of anthocyanins depend mostly on 2 major compounds, but also that the relative contribution of these 4 different anthocyanins analyzed was almost the same, not very dependent on the cultivar, the harvest time, or the post-harvest processing. So these things doesn't change very much with your treatment. We overall recommend to harvest the berries in the first part of September and store them at -20 until pressing the juice. We also find that the taste is negatively or seem negatively correlated to the content of bioactive compounds, and therefore a compromise has to be made to develop good tasting juices.